What's up, guys? Welcome back to Light Source Engraving. My name is Patrick, your host as usual. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Returning viewers, thank you as well. And most importantly, thank you patrons for allowing this video to be made. It is with your continued support that I'm able to purchase these testing supplies, and I appreciate you. Thank you. Now, what I have for you today is what I think are the best colored business cards out there on Amazon. I've tested these, I've ordered them a couple different times here recently, and I'm just so happy with them that I want to share them with you. Now, this seller offers 5 different colors of business cards. There is black, rose gold, red, and blue. So what I want to do is bring you in for a close-up view from an overhead position. So we'll do an aerial shot, get a close-up, and show you how these cards look in the different lighting. You'll see lighting from one angle, then the other angle, and see how they look. I'm going to pop each one of these up and just give you a close-up real fast. There's black. Here's red. Trying to make it so that the light doesn't wash out the color from the reflection. There's the rose gold, green, and blue. And something I'm sure you want to know, how thick are they? Okay, we are on 0.44. Get that tight, 0.44. 0.46 or 0.44, however, depending on how much pressure I've got on this thing. There we go again. So about 0.45. And there's the green. 0.45, 46. There's the rose gold. So as you can see, they are all coming in at right about 0.45. That means they are thick, they do not bend easily, they do spring back to their shape. They can handle a little more heat without warping. So, for example, on this black one, you can see there I'm able to get 2 shades between the state and the text. So they can tolerate a little bit more heat and not bend. So I'm a big fan of these cards. That's why I decided to share these. I will put the affiliate link out there for you, but it's not like I'm gonna make a bunch of money off of these cards. I just like them and figured you would too. And let's just get into our flyover. Okay, we're back. Now, who wants to see a video on how to set up your rotary to do repeat marking in lightburn? Leave me a comment down below, and if I get enough comments, I'll make a video showing you how I set up my rotary with repeat mark and lightburn. And this is the jewelry rotary. It's not the chuck rotary. So this is the jewelry rotary, and it works just fine. Enough about that. Here are the results of these cards. There's our red. Blue. And again, these are all ran with the exact same settings. Our green. That's a better representation of the collar. It's not that dark. Black. And rose gold. I'm very happy with these cards, like I said, so I recommend you check them out. They do cost a little bit more than just getting straight black cards. I do have my second favorite supplier, and they supply black cards. And these are just black, thick business cards. And they come in at a little bit lower price, but this seller only sells black. I'll link these black cards in the description as well. These you can get in a 100 pack, and they cost a little bit less per card buying them in the 100 pack that way. I think about 24 cents a card, versus in the 50 pack from this seller, they're about 34 cents per card. So these run about 34 cents a card, these about 24 cents. Last time I checked. And that's it. That's all I have for you today. Pick up some of these cards, leave me a comment, and let me know what you think of them. They are very nice cards. The anodizing is done very well on the rose gold, green, and blue. And then for the black and red, these are painted, but they are nice and shiny. Good quality cards. I'm very happy again. But most importantly, everyone, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.